Welcome to our channel, where inspiration meets creativity. If you're looking to transform your kitchen into a stunning and functional space, you've come to the right place. Today, we're sharing incredible kitchen design ideas that will inspire you to reimagine the heart of your home. Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's where memories are made, conversations flow, and families gather. Whether you're a fan of sleek modern designs, cozy farmhouse vibes, or minimalist Scandinavian touches, we've got something for every taste and style. Imagine elegant countertops that shine with sophistication, beautiful cabinets that maximize space, and lighting fixtures that transform your kitchen into a warm and inviting haven. We'll explore smart storage solutions that keep your space tidy and clutter-free, as well as creative layouts perfect for any home, big or small. From stunning backsplashes and stylish kitchen islands to the latest trends in materials, colors, and textures, this video will take you on a journey to discover practical yet visually appealing ideas. You'll learn how to create a kitchen that's not only functional, but also reflects your personality and lifestyle. Whether you're planning a full kitchen renovation or just looking to make a few updates, these tips and design inspirations will help you achieve the kitchen of your dreams. Every detail counts, and we're here to show you how small changes can make a big difference. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these breathtaking kitchen design ideas. Don't forget to share your favorite ideas in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration and home improvement tips. Thank you so much for joining us today. Let's dive right in and get inspired. Happy watching!